Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, is the standard markup language for creating websites and web applications. Learning how to write HTML code is essential to anyone who wants to create online content and a starting point for web page creation. CSS, JavaScript rely on HTML, and properly structured HTML helps you provide styling and interactivity within your web pages. Getting ready to add CSS and JavaScript. HTML is the fabric of the web. All content is built upon HTML. Once you start learning about HTML, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to write and how quickly you too will be able to build web pages. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. This course will introduce you to the core fundamentals of HTML elements and show you how to use them to create modern web pages. Learning to use HTML opens the door for so much more. Explore how you too can create HTML to create structured documents using structural semantics for text such as headings, paragraphs, lists, links, quotes, and other items. Create website content for modern web design. Build HTML to be ready for the real world. Learn to build a web content from scratch. See the tools and resources used to create HTML files. Learn HTML, see how it works with CSS. Source code is provided so you can jump right in and start creating your own HTML code. HTML in the real world, presented by Instructor with over 16 years of real-world web development experience. I'm here to help you learn about HTML, and I'm ready to answer any questions you may have. You've got nothing to lose. There's a 100% money-back guarantee. This course is perfect to get a starting point to get started with HTML. Want to know more? What are you waiting for? Take the first step. Join now and start learning to create HTML web content today.